Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss top 20 most important multiple choice questions from class 9 biology chapter tissues. These questions are extremely important for revision purpose and better understanding of the chapter. So as we go along, keep answering the questions, and towards the end of the video do let me know in the comments how many of them you got correct. So let us begin. Question number 1 is, which of the following tissues in plants is responsible for the movement of water against gravity? The options are A. Phloem, B. Xylem, C. Parenchyma and D. Collenchyma. And the correct answer to the question is option B, that is xylem. Why this is so? Because xylem transports water and minerals from roots to other parts of the plant against gravity using the capillary action and transpiration pull. Question number 2. Which of these tissues provides maximum tensile strength to plants? Is it xylem? Is it parenchyma? Is it sclerenchyma? Or is it collenchyma? And the tissue that provides tensile strength to plants is sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma cells are thick-walled and lignified. That means they have lignin deposits, thereby giving rigidity and tensile strength to plants. Moving on to question number 3. Guard cells are modified sclerenchyma, parenchyma, collenchyma or phloem. And the correct answer is parenchyma. Guard cells are specialized parenchyma cells that control stomatal opening and closing. Question number 4. Which animal tissue forms the lining of the kidney tubules and ducts of the glands? The options are A. Squamous epithelium, B. Cuboidal epithelium, C. Columnar epithelium and the D option is ciliated epithelium. So the tissue which forms lining of kidney tubules and ducts is the cuboidal epithelium. Cuboidal epithelium forms a lining for secretion and absorption in kidney tubules and ducts. Moving on to question number 5. What type of muscle tissue is found in the heart? The options given are A. Skeletal, B. Smooth, C. Cardiac and D option is voluntary. So the muscle tissue found in the heart is cardiac. Cardiac muscles are striated, involuntary and are found only in the heart for rhythmic contractions. Question number 6. Which of these tissues allows easy bending without breaking in young stems? Options are sclerenchyma, parenchyma, collenchyma and xylem. And the correct answer is option C, that is collenchyma. Collenchyma has unevenly thickened cell walls and provides flexibility for bending without breaking. Question number 7. The functional unit of nervous tissue is? So is it called axon? Is it called neuron? Is it called dendrite? Or is it called synapse? Correct answer is neuron. Neurons are the structural and functional units of nervous tissue conducting nerve impulses. Let's see question number 8. Which plant tissue transports food in both upward and downward directions? The options are A. Xylem, B. Phloem, C. Parenchyma and D option is sclerenchyma. The correct answer is phloem. Phloem transports food bidirectionally, unlike the xylem which only moves upward. Question number 9. Intercalary meristem is present at? Options are tip of roots, tip of shoots, base of leaves or between muscle mature tissues. So intercalary meristem is found between mature tissues. Intercalary meristem is found between mature tissues and is responsible for the elongation of internodes. Let's see question number 10. Which connective tissue connects muscle to the bone? The options are A. Ligament, B. Tendon, C. Cartilage, and D. Areolar tissue. So the tissue which connects muscle to the bone is called tendon. Tendons are strong connective tissues that attach muscles to bones for movement. So we are halfway done. Moving on to question number 11. Which epithelial tissue helps in absorption in the small intestine? Options are A. Squamous epithelium, B. Cuboidal epithelium, C. Columnar epithelium, and option D is ciliated epithelium. Correct answer to the question is columnar epithelium. Why this is so? Because columnar epithelium with microvilli increases the surface area for absorption in the intestine. Let's move on to question number 12. Before that, do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so far. Question number 12 now. In plants, cork cells are dead because options are A. They lack nucleus, B. They contain lignin, C. They are filled with suberin, and D option is they have no cytoplasm. And the correct answer is that they are filled with suberin. Cork cells are dead and have suberin in their walls, making them waterproof and protective. Moving on to question number 13. The function of adipose tissue in animals is? Options are A. Conduction, B. Absorption, C. Insulation, and D. Movement. So the adipose tissue is responsible for insulation. Adipose tissue stores fat and provides insulation against heat loss. Question number 14. Which muscle tissue shows branching and intercalated discs? Options are A. Skeletal, B. Smooth, C. Cardiac, and D. All of the above. So the muscle tissue showing branching and intercalated disc is your cardiac muscle tissue. Cardiac muscles have branched fibers with intercalated discs for synchronized contractions. Question number 15. The water conducting tissue in the non-vascular plants is? Remember, we are talking about the non-vascular plants here. Options are it is absent, option B xylem, C option phloem, and option D is cambium. Correct answer is it is absent. Non-vascular plants like mosses, they lack xylem and they rely on diffusion for water transport. Moving on to question number 16. Which type of animal tissue is responsible for voluntary movement? That is the one which is under our control. Options are A. Smooth muscle, B. Cardiac muscle, C option skeletal muscle, and option D is nervous tissue. Correct answer is option C, that is skeletal muscle. Skeletal muscles are voluntary muscles controlled consciously for movement. Question number 17. Apical meristem is found in options roots and shoots tip, base of internodes, leaf margins, secondary xylem. The correct answer where apical meristem is found, it is found at the roots and shoots tips. Apical meristem is responsible for primary growth at root and shoot tips. Question number 18. Bone matrix is rich in? Options are A. Suberin, B. Calcium and phosphorus, C. Keratin, D. Chitin. So the bone matrix, it is rich in calcium and phosphorus. That's why it is suggested to eat calcium for healthy bones. Bone matrix has calcium phosphate for rigidity and strength. Question number 19. Tracheids are a part of? Options are A. Xylem, B. Phloem, C. Cortex, D. Pith. correct answer is xylem. Tracheids are elongated xylem cells that transport water in gymnosperms. Gymnosperms means the non-flowering plants. Last question for today. Which type of vascular tissue is involved in translocation? Translocation means movement of food. Options are A. phloem, B. xylem, C. cambium, D. parenchyma. And the correct answer is phloem. Phloem helps in translocation of sugars from leaves to storage organs. So children, thank you all for watching. These were the 20 most important multiple choice questions from different areas of this chapter, tissues. I hope you liked the video and learnt a lot from this. Do like the video, share it with your friends so that they can also get benefited, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so far. See you next time. Till then, take care and bye-bye.